Hi guys, it's Tiyasha. Welcome to my channel World of Passion. In today's video, I am showing you how to make DIY Rakhi at home. So, without any delay, let's start the video. At first, take sponge sheet. Here I am using thin sheet which I get with cloths. Then make 3 different type of circle and cut it out. Take gift wrapping paper. Make 2 different circle and cut it. Then make some design as shown in the video. Take a ribbon and paste the cutouts as shown in the video. Here I am using hot glue gun. Here I am using beads and Rakhi decorating materials which you can easily get from local market. The second one, I am applying the same technique. Here I am using different types of beads and stick with hot glue gun on the ribbon. The third one, here I am making some small tassels with green embroidery thread. Firstly, making the body of the tassels using twine and a hard cardboard. Start by wrapping around 15 times as shown in the video. Similarly, I am making 7 to 8 tassels. Then take a small round cardboard and stick the tassels with the help of hot glue gun. Stick small beads in the center of the Rakhi. Then comb this and gently cut down the excess part. Lastly, attach a ribbon. The fourth one, I am inserting beads with needles. Sorry, this clip is missing from me. The fifth one, here I am sticking various types of beads on a hard cardboard with the help of Fevicol, and lastly attached a ribbon. The sixth one, I am taking a neon thread and inserting small beads as shown in the video. Lastly, attached a thread. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoying the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for future updates.